Hi, I'm Karsen Kennedy, and welcome to C&N's Money Myths, the show where we clear up common misconceptions about finances and community banking. This March, C&N is recognizing Wealth Management Month, a time to plan, grow, and protect your money in the long term. Wealth management can seem intimidating at times. Technical terms and constantly shifting markets can lead to confusion and misconceptions. So, this month, we're tackling 4 wealth management myths to clear up the confusion and replace it with confidence. Let's hear myth number 1. Wealth management is only for people with complex finances. Many people assume that they wouldn't benefit from wealth management because they only have a handful of accounts, or because they wouldn't consider themselves wealthy. But wealth management is defined by more than just account balances. If you want an unbiased second opinion or extra help through life's financial ups and downs, wealth management may be helpful to you. Regardless of your accounts or assets, thoughtful financial planning could help you reach your money goals. Wealth management is just investing. While investing is an important part of wealth management, it is only one piece of a larger picture. Wealth management can include insurance, estate planning, tax planning, retirement planning, and even charitable giving. Wealth management combines different areas of finance to help you reach your financial goals and prepare for the future. Investing is just one piece of the puzzle. It's too early to start managing my wealth, or it's too late to start managing my wealth. These myths are two sides of the same coin. Many people feel that wealth management is something to worry about later in life, while others feel as if they've already missed their only opportunity. The truth is, it's never too early or too late to consider wealth management. While starting early may allow your investments more time to grow, wealth management can still be beneficial later in life. Often, people will seek wealth management services during times of change, like starting a new job, getting married, or preparing for retirement. Overall, it's never too early or too late to start your wealth management journey. After all, everyone must start somewhere. There is a foolproof formula for success. Have you ever received a phone call or email from an anonymous person claiming that they stumbled upon an incredible investment opportunity with zero risk and guaranteed returns? Unfortunately, that message was likely a scam. Investment scammers will promise you a once-in-a-lifetime chance to make easy money. Really though, they're trying to gain access to your account or trick you into paying them. In wealth management, zero risk or guaranteed returns doesn't really exist. So, if you get these messages with opportunities that seem too good to be true, it probably is. There is no foolproof formula for success, only thoughtful planning and financial strategy. That wraps up this month's episode of Money Myths. If you enjoyed this episode, let us know and consider sharing it with a friend. For more information about C&N, visit www.cnbankpa.com or call our Client Contact Center at 1-877-838-2517. Some products are not FDIC insured or guaranteed, not a deposit or other obligation of the bank, not guaranteed by the bank, and are subject to investment risk, including the possible loss of the principal amount invested, and are not insured by any other federal government agency. Thank you to the Homepage Network for producing Money Myths.